welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm J Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today I played with the Mikayla and Glamlite Paht 2 collection, and I don't want to give anything away, but really quickly before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment on this video and like this video because I would greatly appreciate it. Also, subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. In this video, I show you a tutorial on how to do this look. I also test out and review the collection. So yeah, if you want to see me do that, if you want to see how I did this look, then please continue watching. I got Paht 2 of the Mikayla and Glamlite collection, and I am so super stoked to play with it, have some fun with it. I got the full collection, so first we're going to start with showing you what comes in the collection, and then we're going to get into using the products. Okay, so let's get started. First thing that comes in the collection is a brush set, and you get 4 brushes in this collection. So we're definitely going to be using those to apply our makeup today. In this collection, we get 2 more pairs of lashes, and they're both very pretty. You can't really mess up lashes, yeah. The collection also has 3 highlighters. Look at that. I love highlighter. I can't wait to dip into these. I actually didn't even realize, but it also comes with a 10 color palette. Look at those. I'm loving the packaging. It's felt, it's so soft. I kind of just want to sit here all day and do this with it. That's so nice. The collection also comes with the Golden Dreams lip set and the Lucky Charms lip set. So in each collection you get a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. Last but not least, you get another 30 color palette. Something about Glamlite, but their packaging is always so pretty. The only shitty thing is that there's 2 palettes, and I really have no idea which one I want to use. I'm gonna do the same that I did with the last collection. I'm gonna do my face makeup, and only when it gets to the specific products, that's when I'll come on camera and use the product, show you what I'm doing, show you what I think about it. So I will be right back. I'm back and my brows are on. I've also already primed this eyelid with some concealer. To do that, I just used the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Ivory. Taking the Mikayla and Glamlite number 4 brush, I'm gonna jump into the shade. What am I gonna jump into? Cody James. Okay, I think it is so cute that she named a color after her fiance. Oh, so cute. I'm just gonna buff this out into the crease. With the number 2 brush, I'm gonna jump into the shade 13, and I'm going to blend that out. Same as last time, these are blending like a dream. Oh my goodness. That blended out very easily, okay? I've got no complaints. And the pigment, so very nice. For my next step, I sort of need a flat packing brush, and the collection doesn't have that, so I'm just gonna use another brush. And I'm gonna take that same concealer, and I'm gonna cut this out. Next, I'm going to take the number 3 brush, which is the liner brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Fall Rivah. I'm going to create a wing. Now I'm going to take another packing brush. Again, there's none in the collection. I'm going to go into the shade Dreams. I kind of sort of just put that everywhere. Honestly, I didn't know what I was gonna do, but this is like that shade is really freaking pretty. Holy shit. Like, it's nice. It's I hope that the camera is doing it justice, but I shit you not. it's really fucking nice. I love it. I actually really love that. I'm gonna go ahead and jump off of camera, do this eye, do my face, and I'll be right back. I'm back and my face is on. I also just applied some mascara so we can finish off the eyes, then we'll do highlighter and then the lips. They're not as dramatic as the first collaboration. Like they're still very long lashes, but taking the Mikayla and Glamlite lashes in high fashion, the Lava Los Angeles eyelash adhesive. I'm just gonna jump off of camera to do that, and I'll be right back when it's time to apply the lashes because I gotta sit for a couple minutes anyways, so I'll be right back. Okay, so it has been a couple of minutes. It is time to apply the lashes. So here it goes. I always hate this part. Next, we're gonna move on to the bottom lash line, and because the brushes in this collection aren't really like small enough for detail work, I'm gonna use a different brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Cody James, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lash line. Taking that same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade 13. I think I look a little insane with nothing in my waterline. So I'm gonna take the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Teaspoon, and I'm gonna apply that directly to the waterline. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade Poppin' and use that as an inner corner highlight. Damn! That's fucking poppin'. That's fucking poppin'. I cannot lie. Holy shit, that is bright as fuck. So we're done with the eyes, and next we're gonna move on to highlighter. Keeping it in check with the green, I think I wanna go into Blindin. Holy shit balls. That's insane. Like shit, man. Your products can't be this good. You're gonna make everybody go broke. Me. You're gonna make me go broke. I don't get this makeup for free. I fucking pay for it myself. I'm addicted to makeup, so I'm just gonna keep fucking buying if it's this good. Shit. I needed a more subtle highlight for the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. I couldn't go in with this like bright ass green. I love it. I freaking love it. But I couldn't put that on my nose. So now we're gonna move on to the lips, which is the final step. This is the Golden Dreams lip shade, and I don't know if you can tell, but right here, it looks like it's a bit more pinky toned. And this is the Lucky Charm lip set, and this looks a bit more nude tone. So I think I'm gonna stick with the Lucky Charm lip set. Just because my eyes are like so bold and green, I don't want to go pink on the lips. I'd rather just keep it nude. So first I'm gonna go in with the lip liner. So here's a lipstick. I ruined the tip of it myself. I'm a fucking idiot. So I think this might be a little too nude for my lips. I don't like lip shades that are this, I don't know, they don't sit well with my skin tone. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna go in with the Golden Dreams lip shade instead. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna go in with the Golden Dreams lip set now. The reason why the tip of the other lipstick got ruined is because you're supposed to click down and then pull it. My dumb ass clicked down and turned it before I pulled it out. So tip kind of got pushed into the top, but it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and use a lipstick now. It's a very pretty shade. Hello. It's a nice shade. I don't know if it goes with my eyes. I don't know if it goes with my eyes, but it's a very nice shade. And now we're just gonna take the lip gloss. Oh damn. Oh damn. I did not expect that. Okay, so there's a lot of gold reflex in it. But okay, very, very pretty. Wow. Wow. I love the lip gloss. I love the lip gloss. I cannot lie. This completes the makeup look. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair and I'll come back for my final thoughts on the products. I'm back and I have finished getting ready. I have just slicked back my hair. There was a lot of like crazy loose hairs. I swear I'm not naked. I'm actually just wearing a tube top. But yeah, I look quite naked in this. So I just want to give you my final thoughts. Like, this is the final look. I honestly love it. I didn't know where I was going. I just wanted to stick to the color scheme of the collaboration, and I'm glad I did. I really like it. Let's get started with my thoughts on the products, and then we're good. We're done. All right. So first, we're gonna start off with the brushes. I mean, I don't really need any more brushes in my collection per se. Doesn't mean I don't like the brushes. They're great brushes. They work really well. They blended out the eyeshadows perfectly. I just wish there was maybe one or two different kind of brushes. So we get about like 3 blending brushes, which is great. I didn't really even use this one. Maybe like a packing brush, like a detailing brush, something like that would have been great to add to the collection, but they're still great brushes. The eyelashes, oh my goodness. Like, do I need to get closer? Like, do you see this? Honestly, I love both sets of lashes. Even in the old collaboration, those ones were very dramatic and they were very like in your face. These ones are not as dramatic, but still very beautiful. Oh my goodness, I only use the green shade, but it is very, very, very bright. I don't really know when I'd use the green again. I mean, it was nice to do with this just because I was keeping it in, you know, in tune with the eye look. I just don't know when I'd be using it again, but that doesn't mean it's not beautiful. And when I do creative looks, definitely use it, because like that is blinding. Very nice, great quality. Okay, so the lip sets. Whew. All right, so I'm a fan of the Golden Dreams over the Lucky Charms lip set, and that's because, and it's not that I don't like the formula, I don't like the shades, it's just this one's very nude and it looks very muted on my lips because of my skin tone. I'll probably use the lipstick on the center of my lips just to highlight it a bit, but not like all over the lips just because it looks muted on me. But I love this shade, it's what I'm currently wearing right now. They're great formulas, very smooth. Lip glosses are beautiful. I will say I like that in the second collaboration that it's not just lip glosses. So in the first one we got 3 lip glosses. At least this one you get the lip liner and the lipstick, which is awesome. I didn't really get to use this eyeshadow palette. I mean, if it's anything like the other one, then I'm gonna love it. I like the packaging. The velvet, it's so nice. It's so nice and so soft. And I was about to rub it on my face again until I remember that I have a shit ton of foundation on. I don't want to do that. But yeah, like I can't wait to jump into this. Last but not least is the 30 color palette. Oh my god, honestly, I freaking love it. The packaging is beautiful and the shades in general, they're very, very, very pretty. These press-on shades, like I'm using the green right now, the one called Dreams, beautiful, beautiful. They blended like a dream. The pigment is amazing, and there's like no fallout, so you can't really go wrong. Honestly, I love this collection, just like I love the first one. Glamlite knows what they're doing, and I don't think Mikayla would really release anything that's shitty quality. So honestly, I freaking love it. It's great. That about wraps up the tutorial and my review on the collection. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. God, no respect, these dogs. They got zero respect. Fucked up. What? We got two more pairs of lashes. I just don't want to cut off. Does that even make sense? Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. This is your reminder to pick up lash glue when you're editing this video. Pick up lash glue. These dogs, no respect. And focus is the third